Welcome to day 18 of Becoming the Main Character. Creative expression is nourishment for the soul. Just as the body needs food and water, your spirit needs moments of creative flow. Moments where it can speak in its own language. Art, dancing, singing, writing, all of these are forms of soul expression. Through them, your inner world finds its voice, color, rhythm, and shape. It is easy to get carried away by daily routines and forget this natural outlet. But expression doesn't need a stage or an audience. It can be as simple as dancing while you cook, singing in the shower, or writing your feelings on paper. Whenever you let the energy move through you freely, your soul feels seen. Today, we'll remember the power of that expression. That exact feeling of your soul's heartbeat when you are in a creative state. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Let your body settle. Take a slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Allow your shoulders to drop. Let your face soften. Arrive here, now. Bring your awareness to your chest, to the quiet center of your being. Imagine your inner world as a glowing space, alive and full of unspoken energy. With your next breath, sense a subtle rhythm within you, a pulse, a creative heartbeat that has always been there. This is the part of you that sings without thinking, moves without planning, imagines without effort. The part that feels most like you. Let this expression grow. Feel it spreading through your chest, your arms, your face. Notice the warmth, the openness, the gentle tingling as your energy moves freely. Now, bring to mind a form of expression that feels natural. Dancing, writing, humming, painting, cooking. See yourself doing it with ease, without performing or trying, just letting your energy flow. You are witnessing your soul's breath. Take a few slow breaths and let this expression fill your whole field with warmth, with color, with life. Silently affirm, my expression is a language of the soul. I allow it to move through me freely. Rest in this feeling for a minute, allowing this gentle aliveness to unfold inside you. When you are ready, take one more deep breath in and exhale, grounding this energy into your body. Open your eyes. Return with the memory of your inner rhythm and let it guide you through your day. Welcome back.